Hi everyone, my name is Wanyoma the Gentle Dove. In today's video, I will share with you how to install solar panel with a little money in Nigeria. No more power failure, no more noise from generator, no more spending a lot of money on fuel every day. This secret helped me to solve the problem of power failure, not charging phone for my aging parents at home in the village. I think it will help someone out there. That is why I'm sharing it. It's not must that you roof your whole house with solar panel or spend a lot of money before you will have electric light in your house. In today's video, I will tell you how I use little money to install solar panel in our house. So let's get started. 7 things I bought to make this happen with 12-volt solar system include inverter, 12 volts 3000 watts inverter which costs 22,000 naira, battery 12 volts 200 amp per hour battery with 5,000 naira, 30 amp charge controller 8,500, 12 volts 150 watts solar panel, 2 of them, 1, 2, which costs 27,500 each, cable, switch or breaker 1,500, solar electric bulb 1 dozen 100 naira. I called a tech guy to install it, which costs 15,000 naira. That is it. You are good to go. With this, you can switch on light, fan, charge your phone, charge your laptop, watch TV. No more darkness at night. No more electric bill. No more stress of looking where to charge your phone. You can also install this in your office or in your shop if you are not using AC, generator or pressing iron. Please, thank you for watching. If you have any question, ask me and I'm willing to answer. Please subscribe. Bye.